Malay Sharma will present.
All the Ayurvedic scholars from Colombo and all of the Sri Lanka. It's my great pleasure to present before you my 5th century AD. It's also in the 5th century. Kakak Sputatantra, written by Nagarjuna in the 8th century. Rasa Siddhi Shastra, Rasarnav, Rasendra Chudamani, Rasa Prakash Sudhakar, Kaka Chandika Kalpa. So, list of the some literature of the Rasa Shastra. Out of these, some Rasa Kalpas very commonly we are using in our practice. The first one is the Vrihadvat Chintamani. Some of this knowledge shared by Dr. Prasanna Rao. References Bhaishya Ratnavali, Vata Vyadhi Rogadhikar. Indications of the Vrihadvat Chintamani is Vatad Rog, Sandhivat, osteoarthritis, muscles weakness, paralysis, shaking palsy, etc. Out of them, it is also useful in the Pittas Vikar, especially like this is the Amla Pitta, in the Vatanubandhi Amla Pitta, there is no any other sources are not working or not beneficial. In that condition, if Vatanubandhi Pitta, Amla Pitta or any other stage where Vatanubandh, there Vrihadvat Chintamani is very useful. Jara Nashak, premature aging symptoms, Vajikaran, in cases of the Shukra Kita Kshay, osteozoospermia and impotence. So, Vrihadvat Chintamani we are commonly using in these stages. Sanjeevanivati contains no parad, but contains Vish Aushadhi. So, very commonly used Sanjeevanivati, but Matra Bhed and Anupan Bhed, so many diseases. There is a book written by author Sanjeevani Samrajyam, 250 diseases cured by Sanjeevanivati only. Single, there is a reference, Vedangam, Nagaram, Krishna, Pathya, Malaka Vibhidakam, Vacha, Guduchi, Bhallatam, Savisham Chatra Yojayet. And Matra Bhedena, Ekam, Ajiran Gulmeshu, Dve, Vishuchyam Pradapayet, Tisrascha, Sarpadastedu, Chatasras Sanni Patike. So, Sanjeevani, different doses and different anupan. More than 250 disease can be cured by Sanjeevanivati. Any type of jwar and special conditions of the jwar, other than some Amaj Avastha, Amaj Grahani, Amaj Atishar, in these conditions with Bil, with Vacha or with Kachur, we are using frequently of the Sanjeevanivati. Vasanta Kusumakar Ras, Rasendra Sar Sangrah, Rasayan Vajikaran Rogadhikar, most commonly used in the Prameh in case of DM, juvenile DM, and complications of the diabetes like retinopathy, neuropathy, nephropathy. But not only cure, but for prevention of these upadravas of the Prameh or Madhumeh. Kshaya, debility due to any chronic illness, TB, HIV and AIDS, Som Rog, Vali Paritahar, signs of the premature aging, like graying hairs, wrinklings of the skin. So, frequently we are using Vasanta Kusumakar Ras. Other than these indications, erectile dysfunctions, loss of libido, and especially these patients are lack of confidence, Dhatu Kshay, Anulom or Pratilom. In these conditions, we are using Vasanta Kusumakar frequently. Smrti Bhrans, dementia, Putra Prasavakarak, Sreshta Santanotpadak. Likewise, Samir Pannagras, Rasendra Ras Chandranshu, Uttarakhand, Vat Rog Chikitsa. Indications of the Samir Pannagras, Sannipat Avastha, Unmad, Chittodveg, mental instability, and mental disorders like schizophrenia, Sandhibandh, Kaph Amay, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, etc. Other than these indications, in the acute conditions of the Shwasarog, we are frequently using Samir Pannagras. any yoke of the Mal, Samir Pannag or Malla Sindur, or any yoke of the arsenic. We are frequently using in these conditions. Likewise, Ekanga Veera Ras. The reference is the Rasa Yog Sagar. Indications: Pakshagat, Dhanurvat, Ardhangavat, Grudrasi, Vishwachi, Avabahuk, Sarvavat Rog. Ekanga Veera Ras, if Amanubandhi, there we can use Amavadarivati. If any type of Vatarog, Niram, in that condition we use Vridva Chintamani or Yogendra Ras. Mahalakshmi Vilas Ras, the reference is Rasendra Sara Sangrah. Indications of the Mahalakshmi Vilas Ras are Gal Rog, Guda Rog, Sarvashul, Antravriddhi, Kas, Shirashul, Atisar, Yakshma, Nadivran, 11 types of Kust, Stri Rog, Galagraha, 20 types of Prameya, Stholya, Bagandar, Slipad, Amvat, Udard, Kapavatad Rog, Jiva, Stamp. Up to these disease in this era, due to environmental change or pollutions, allergic rhinitis, for long time penis we can say, Mahalakshmi Vilas is very useful in these conditions. Likewise, Shalakyagata Rog, Karnasrav, Karnakshved, tinnitus, Nasa Rog, Kafaj Rog, Mukh Rog, and Akshi Rog. So these type of Shalakyagata Rog can be cured by Lakshmi Vilas Ras. Sarvajwar Har Lo, Rasendra Sar Sangrah, this is the reference. Indications of the Sarvajwar Har Lo: Vatik, Pitic, Shleshmic, Dwandaj, and Sannipatic Jwar. Unknown origin pyrexia, Agyat Karan Danya, Jwar Rog. So many cases I have treated in the Mutra Jatar, the urinary infection, when I using the Mutra Virajani Kashai and Sarvajwar Har Lo, I found tremendous results. Vishamajwar, PU, I had said, Jeernajwar, Pleha Yakrit Rog, spleen and hepatomegaly, it is very useful, Sarvajwar Har Lo. Vat Kulantak Ras, Rasendra Sar Sangrah, indications of the Vat Kulantak, Apasmar, Murcha, Vata Vyadi, up to this, any type of Vatanubandh. Vat is dominating with Pitta or Kapha, then Vat Kulantak Ras frequently we can use and we can found very tremendous results. Swarna Sooth Sekar Ras, Rasa Chandansu, Dviti Parishep hai. Indications of the Swarna Sooth Sekar: Amlapitta, Vaman, Shwas, Agnivandya, Tridosha Atishar, Shul, Panchagulm, Panchakas, Sangrahani, Ugrahika, Udavart, Raj Yakshma, Dehayapya Rog. Up to these, any type of Pittodrek, Ushana or Drava Guna, Adhikya of the Pitta, in these conditions we can use Swarna Sooth Sekar Ras. Swarna Sooth Sekar is indicated in the case of the hyperacidity, skin manifestation due to Visheshan Pitta dose, Shita Pitta, Udard, dermatitis, psoriasis, and urticaria. Due to pollution, the skin irritations or skin disorders, we can also use Swarna Sooth Sekar in that conditions. Kumar Kalyana Ras, Vaishya Ratnavali, Bal Rogadhikar, Jwar, indications for the Jwar, Atisar, Shwas, Vaman, Parigarbhik, Grahadosh, Stanyadvesh, Kamla, or Karshe. Up to these states, nowadays I am trying to infants VSD and AVSD. So I found some results. Out of 100, 8 to 10 newborn babies are suffering from VSD or AVSD. In these cases, I am trying to Kumar Kalyana Ras, and hopefully we will found very good results in these cases. Grahani Kapat Ras, Sarangar Sangita, Dvitiya Khand, Atisar, infective and non-infective diarrhea, Sangrani and Agnimandi. Very most common in our OPD, ulcerative colitis. So with Grahani Kapat Ras, Bilv, or in Jaipur Parampara, there is Bhubaneswar Churna plus Bilva Churna plus Grahani Kapat Ras. So very tremendous results we are found. Next one is Nagarjuna Ras, Rasendra Sar Sangrah's references, indications for Hriday Rog, Urakshat, Kshaya, Shul Rog, chest pain, Shodh, Udar Rog, Vishamajwar, Raktapit. In these conditions, frequently we are using Nagarjuna Ras. But we are in the hypertension or high blood pressure with Arjun Churn, Arjun Kshirpak, or Nagarjuna Ras. We have found very good results. Trivikram Ras, Saranga Sanghita, Dvitiya Khand, indications for Ashmari, renal calculi, 16 to 18 mm Vrikkashmari, we are treating with Trivikram Ras without surgery. But this is in the combination, Gokshur Churn, Pashan Bhed, Hazrul Yahud, and Trivikram Ras. The combination of these medicines we are using, and 8 to 18 mm size of the Vrikkashmari are without surgery we can cure. So, out of these rasas, some more rasas we are frequently using. We are CRF, chronic renal failure. So, we are using Swarna Bhupati Ras or Sarvatobhadra Ras. All are the gold preparation, the properties of the gold, Prasanna Rao has narrated. So, use of these rasas in our practice, we can get very good results and enhance our practice, establish the importance of the Ayurveda. Thank you very much to give me an opportunity to organizers and all the audience for the patientful listening. Thank you very much.
Then the next